With Pocketalk, there are 3 easy ways for you to choose your language, allowing you to select the method that works best for your situation. The first option is to select a language directly on the home screen. Tap the language name to view a list of available languages, then choose your desired language. The second method is voice selection. Simply press the mic button near the bottom of the touchscreen and say the language you want. For example, say Spanish, and Pocketalk will select it for you. The third way is using the flag icon. Tap the flag button at the top of the screen and scroll through the flags to find the one you need. This is especially helpful if you're unsure of which language someone speaks, allowing you to select the flag corresponding to their language. When languages are set, press and hold the talk button in order to start translating. Keep the button held down while speaking and release it when you're finished. The translation will appear once you let go. To change the direction of translation, simply tap the Translate in Opposite Language button or tap the arrow icon